Good evening, Business 635. This is Professor Hassey. It's Sunday, July 5th, 2020, and I'm speaking to you from hot and steamy Claremont, California. The temperature 94 degrees at production time. This week is week 5, the halfway point. Yes, you didn't think you'd get this far. You have week 5 of our class. Our topic this week is the risk in capital budgeting. And we're going to review the capital budgeting process for some of you who have been a while since you've used it. But also we're going to talk about something new for many of you in the capital budgeting process, risk analysis, sensitivity and scenario analysis from Chapter 11, a very key point of capital budgeting. Here's our Blackboard site, and many of you still have to finish your week 4 discussion post about calculating the weighted average cost of capital for the company that you selected. I have reviewed quite a few already this afternoon and review some more tonight, but make sure you review or post your discussion form, and also make sure to complete the grade assessment. You review one of your fellow classmates' posting for this week. So make sure you do that this evening. I'm going to week number 5 in our Blackboard discussion. And there's a file that we're going to be working on in class tomorrow night. It's right here in week 5 in-class review. And if you could download this and perhaps even maybe begin the analysis of the work, refresh yourself with the capital budgeting process. If not, we'll review this in class tomorrow night. This class is designed, or this week's designed to review the capital budgeting, capital decision-making analysis. You'll be specifically asked to account for and determine the risk in the decision-making. And that's what we'll be talking about. And this is an introduction to the week in your Blackboard. Also, in our YouTube site, there's about 5 or 6 videos about explaining the capital budgeting process to refresh your memories. I may also add that you have a case analysis this week, case study number 2, on chapters 3, 9, and 12. It will be a PowerPoint presentation file, and we'll talk about that in class Monday evening. So there's what we have it for this week, capital budgeting risk, an old friend of business finance and an old friend of corporate finance. We'll review that this week and learn how that plays in the decision-making process of determining what asset we should invest in to determine maximum value and return. So thanks, everybody. We'll see you all Monday evening at 6 o'clock. Have a good rest of the July 4th weekend. Adios.